Okay, good day again. Now we will discuss how to put a logo, a poster, and a design of the or design or product packaging design, yeah, in the booth using this SketchUp. Okay, so I have here. This is the work area of the SketchUp now. Actually, it's very easy lang. So again, so I have to demonstrate first. So let us example. Let us imagine that this is your wall in your booth, and then you have to okay, this is your wall, and then after that, if you want to put a logo here, example, this is a I will put a logo here. Okay, so you can do that. This is your area. Um, or or let us say I want to make the logo of St. Kahita Institute, or so the logo of the site will be put here. So this is the example. So for example, I make a circle here where I could put my logo, our logo of our school, the St. Kahita Institute of Technology. So it's very simple. So for example, all you have to do is to click select and then click the area or the surface of this circle, and then file, click import, and then I will try to find the pictures of Saint Cayetan. So I have here the Saint Cayetan. So make sure if before you import it, you have to select the image. Okay, usually it is in the default, which is used as image as image. But this time we will use texture. So this texture is where you could put that in your surfaces in the wall or in the surfaces where you both was designed using SketchUp. Okay, click and make sure that that the texture is being selected, and then click import. Okay, so after that you will use the endpoint here. Just left click, hold left click, and then drag. Okay, after dragging it and then release. So as you can see, it was being transferred at the back. So let us try to see here, and let us do it again. Okay, because I already I selected the area, so para hindi ta siya ma-select, no? So I want to push, sorry, I want to move the circle. Okay, hindi siya siguro mabutang. Anyway, I will put here para dili siya ma-appealing yung kaning area. So again, we will try again here. Click this area and then file, import, and this picture. Select the texture and import it, and then click drag. Okay, so it was being located here inside in the circle. But this time the problem is there is a another is like, because it is naka-tiled siya nga, naka-tiled siya. So how can we put that in a circle here in the same kahita? So right click and then mix texture and then position, and then hold the shift key. So if you try to see here, there is a positioning. You can position it again here, and then hold the shift key, and then here click this call out design, and then hold it, and then you have to drag it here, and then drag here, drag also here. So, make sure that it was be very put that in properly in the circle. Okay, So for if you are satisfied in your output, make sure na okay, okay for example here. Okay, drag it, and then okay, click here, then click enter. Okay, so this is the example how to put your logo in your design. Okay, so it's very easy. So if you want to put another a color here, so just click here the paint tool, and then you can select here the different if you want a wood, okay, just click here and put there. Okay, and I'll put it here also. Don't put any here, okay, because this is the texture of the wood, and this is the texture that you will use the logo as a texture. Okay, next is how to put a poster. Okay, for example, you can design it if you want. Okay, if you don't if you want to improve it, you may. Now we will go to the another example of the in how to put your poster. For example, I have here I have to make my poster. I have to put my poster of Saint Cahitan here, and then make an offset. Okay, for example, and then push here first para okay siya ma-appeal ang likod. Now the same process used in putting the logo. You have to select the area or the surface, and then file, and then import, and then find your pictures of your poster. For example, I have here my poster of Saint Cahitan. Okay, and just click here, then drag. Okay, then release. So there is a tile here at the top. So all you have to do is to click here, and then next to texture and positioning it, and you have to hold the shift key and then put here and just click drag, and it was automatically it was be snapped in the endpoints here. Okay, and then press enter so that the texture will be created, and you can put here. Okay, you can rotate, and you can push and pull here also, so that it could be like this. Okay, select this, push and pull. Okay, so I have this poster here already here, so you can do that also in your in your booth. And lastly, the product packaging. For example, I have this I have a product here, a box here. This is a box, and then I will push and pull here. So depende na sa inyong box o sa inyong design. But this time, for example, this is a box of a toy or a pizza box. So just example, the same process. Select the area, file. I have to import the image, and also to put that in the okay. For example, let us try to see. Okay, because this is your design, so texture, the same texture, and then put that here and here, and select here. I always select. Okay, okay, so I could positioning it. So mag-position ta, right click, select, use the select, and then right click, texture, position. So I could position here. Okay, so the same process. Okay, what else? I lost it. Yeah, okay, here and here. Okay, and here's very big. Okay, and here. Okay, and then that's it. There. Wow. So you can also put that here design in your, for example, there is a barcode here, there is a symbol here and here and so forth. So that's it. So you can modify your booth uh, using this process to put to put your logo, a poster, and a product packaging in your booth. So I hope that it will help you in improving your booth design. So if you have some concern, just ask me. Thank you and good luck.